This conference will now be recorded.
We will be looking at that project, US Superstore and Too Big to Fail Banks. These are the two projects I have given. So, anyone worked on this US Superstore dashboard would like to share their screen and walk us through what they have done. Let us discuss, spend some time on this today. Yeah. Yes, anyone worked on it? Anurag, Jyoti, Paramesh, Naveen, Pooja, Rajshekhar, Shiva, Siddhartha, Vamshi. So, who wants to share their screen?
Srini,
Yeah.
Venkat, I will share the screen. Okay, please guide me,
Okay.
Srini.
Okay. Let me make you presenter, but you have worked on it, right? You have some questions on it?
I tried, Srini, but I cannot succeed.
Okay. Anyone else also work? Meanwhile, Venkat shares his screen.
Yeah,
Okay, Anurag, you missed us to this section. Okay. So go through the recorded sessions and
Srini. Hello, Srini. Hello.
yeah, open the Tableau. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I'm facing some network issues also. My Wi-Fi is getting disconnected and getting connected again and again. So please be informed that if I get disconnected, there is some issue. Yeah. So on this, so how did you do like sales by supply, all these sheets? So you have not worked on it, it looks like, right? Or did you give it a try? No.
Srini, 1 second, Srini. I'm going to
Hmm.
take the new sheet. Suppose how to here see the sheets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to bring the into the in the single sheet?
Not into the single sheet. What was the task? You were supposed to replicate each and every sheet. So if you go to sales by supplier, very first sheet, go to that.
Okay.
Okay, so we were supposed to build this sales by supplier into a new
Okay.
sheet. So that was the
Okay.
assignment. So you'll start building all these sheets. Later on we
Okay.
will, once we are done with this, later on we will see how do we bring all those sheets together. So
Okay.
you have not worked on it. Let me see if anyone else, so that you will get some idea how they did
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Sure.
Anyone else
Thanks.
wants to share this?
Hello.
Vamshi? Yeah.
I can do it.
Okay. Okay. Even Jyoti also wants. Okay. Let me make Vamshi present and then I'll come to you, Jyoti. Okay.
Oh, Srini.
Uh, so Venkat, just see, how these people have done it. You will get some idea and then you can work on it. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, can you just walk through Vamshi, like what are the steps you have done? What is the approach? What was there before and what did you build? We cannot hear you. You are on mute.
I'm sorry. I did not create the what do you
Hmm.
call the sheet? I did
Hmm.
not create a dashboard, but I've created the worksheets. So if you see the first worksheet is discount by supplier. I've created the discount by supplier again. I use the supplier information and I use the metrics part. So I think metrics is a calculated field if I'm not wrong.
Hmm.
So this is the calculation what I've used.
Oh,
Right.
And and there is also a parameter if I'm not wrong. Metrics.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a
So,
param.
yeah,
Yeah.
can you go to the original sheet, sales supplier? Okay.
Mm,
Mhm. So what Vamshi has done is, okay, he has looked at sales by supplier sheet. Then he looked at, okay, what are the columns which are being used? Okay. Then he tried to drag those columns. But what he did is, in the metric selection on the right hand side, you see discount, order quantity, product base. So he looked at, okay, what is this metric selection? Then he found that it is a parameter. He created his own parameter, right, Vamshi? You
yeah.
say metric V, right? That is your own parameter. V for Vamshi, right?
Yeah.
Vamshi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So then he dragged and he tried to see, to come up with this same view, how we have it. On the way, any other view you have created, Vamshi, apart from sales by supplier?
Uh, Say next, I think is
Okay, sales by department. So he has dragged those columns and he has created sales by state. Okay. So
next
in
is
Mhm.
no, I don't have. So I think I could not create only this. Maybe if I drag everything to new dashboard and assign it in a align it in a proper order, I think I'll be
Mhm.
completing as well. If I'm
Yeah, yeah,
not,
yeah. Yeah, I'll take you all through how do we create this today. Okay. So we have
yeah.
not done that. But
Shrenu, can you look at my one as well? I also created all the worksheets, but I didn't club all the sheets in the to prepare the dashboard.
yeah, yeah. So for clubbing, we will see today, Pooja. But at
Okay.
least you have created all the sheets, right?
Yes, I have created all the sheets, but there was one sheet in the last in which we need to combine two graphs, one line and one bar chart. So
Hmm.
alignment is not proper. Otherwise, I
Okay,
have
okay. Can you,
worked on all.
Vamshi, can you go to the last? Did you create this last one, bar and line?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now can you just walk us through like how did you get two things like a bar chart and line chart on the same one chart?
So I guess this I moved it to month.
Hmm.
So if you click on plus, it's gonna expand, right?
Right?
So it was initially I think on year. So from year I've moved it to month. Then I've
Mm-hmm.
put metric one and metric two on two different axes.
Mm-hmm.
And for metric two, I changed it to line.
Correct.
That's
Yeah. So when we drag two numeric columns onto the rows in the marks card, you see sum of metric one. Can you click on sum of metric one? The bar one. Yeah. So from here, metric one, we wanted bar chart. You selected bar chart. Metric two, we wanted line chart. Now, how do we get those two things in one? So click on sum of metric on the rows V2. There would have been a dual axis, right? You must have done a dual axis, Vamshi, right?
yeah.
If you remove that, yeah, click on that dual axis, remove it. It will be like this. So the above chart says metric one, the below chart says metric two. Now we want to club them together. Sometimes it happens like you want to look at sales versus profit on the same chart. You don't want two different charts. So bar chart should represent sales, line chart should
I
represent
can learn
profit.
to
So
understand you
let's
much
go to
better
the
if I can get familiar with the way you talk. I need your permission to help.
okay. Now go and select that dual axis. So this is how we will get it. Got it, Pooja? So just give it a try and it will come.
Yeah, I tried it. It worked.
Okay, okay, great. Okay, so
Okay.
Jyoti Jyoti also wants to share the screen, right? Let me make you presenter, Jyoti. Let us see what you have done. Okay. Okay, so the dashboard is not opening now, Jyoti? Okay, okay, fine. You can show it later also, like tomorrow, okay? Now let me take the control back.
There was one more sheet in which my columns were, there were two columns appearing instead of one. However, in the original sheet, it was, means it was not as similar as the original sheet. There was little bit difference.
In which one? In which one?
Just
In
give me
which?
a minute. Yeah. Sales by supplier.
Mm-hmm. It's table.
Mm, I think.
So do the same tasks, drag, measure names, measure values, and this is the parameter. So when you're selecting the parameter, it will only show one column, right? So if you select profit, this table will populate by profit and so on.
Uh, that is fine. I was having metric as well as the shopping cost here. Otherwise, I have done the in the similar manner like here it is done.
Mm-hmm.
And just a minute. My sheet got deleted. I will create it again. I don't
Okay,
have
okay,
this.
fine, fine. You can show me tomorrow also, yeah?
Okay.
Now, once all these sheets, so what you did, okay, you have the data. So this is how the development happens, okay? Once you get the data, you based on your requirement, you'll keep on building different sheets. Now, how to build these sheets, you are aware. So every project, the columns would be different, right? But overall, if
Sri,
you want to build a bar, yeah.
yeah, one second. Sorry to disturb you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, actually, I can open in Tableau Public, but I am trying to open in Tableau, which is there in my desktop, but I cannot. So, how
Okay.
to open it?
So do you want to share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me make you presenter, Jyoti. Share your screen.
So, here is my dashboard. So, when I click on this, I can open this.
Mm-hmm.
So, but how can I open in a Tableau Public, which is there in my desktop?
So go to Tableau Public,
Mm.
open the Tableau Public software.
Okay, one second. Okay.
Right, this is the Tableau Public, right? Now
Yeah.
go to File,
Mm.
open from Tableau Public. Now enter your credentials, email ID and password.
Okay. Mm. Okay, I'll try it later. Might be I
Yeah.
forgot my password.
Okay, okay. So once you try that, right, It will show you the list of dashboard. You can select and click on open. It will open up.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. So what you will start building, because what happens in the projects is, bar chart, you will create it in the same way. Bar chart is a bar chart, right? You will drag few things and it will get created. Once you do all this development, the next thing is, okay, when we will share with the users, what are they saying? Would they be saying, each and every sheet? That would not make sense, right? To show all these sheets differently. So these are all the worksheets. If you go on the right hand side, you'll see this is a worksheet. We kept on inserting the sheets for developing the chart. Now next to that, there is a second option, new dashboard. Now I want to create a dashboard. Okay. Now, what is the difference between a worksheet and a dashboard? We should understand. Okay. Can you all guess what is the difference between the sheet and the dashboard? Can you identify it?
You can drag the worksheets in the dashboard, I guess, because I can see all the worksheets at the left hand side.
Right. So we are seeing all the list of worksheets. Okay. Now, one important thing is in the sheets, you always see dimensions, measures, marks card, rows, columns, and all this stuff, right? But that is not the case in the dashboard. That means in the sheets, you will do the development work. Then when you go to the dashboard, it will show all those sheets. Now it's time for us to drag all these things onto this page and align the things. Okay, now before that, let me go here and say automatic. So what this range will do is I am fixing this dashboard resolution. I don't want that because few of them might open it in mobile phone, few of them might open it in laptops or desktops, right? So I don't want to restrict that. What I will do, I'll go and say automatic. You see, I got this entire space to arrange. This is the first thing we always do. Now, let me drag here. I have all these sheets. So what we can do is just look at this and then you can do it as an assignment and we will look at the uh, questions if you have any, but just concentrate on what I'm doing here. This is very important. Okay. Now I'm dragging this sheet here. I am dragging this second sheet here. I am dragging. Now when I am, dragging and, dropping it, you see this section here. When I'm taking anywhere, it is showing me, okay, this is the section where it will fit. Dragging here. When I'm dragging the next sheet, you see, this is the next sheet here. Now, if I go to the presentation mode, at the top there is a presentation mode. If I click on it, you would see four different charts got aligned. Now, how do we come out of it? We need to press escape. I repeat, just if you want to see how it will get viewed by the end users, you can go to the presentation mode. This is how it will show up when the end users open up the dashboard. How do we come out? Press keyboard, from keyboard escape. Now, few things which we want to do is, if I want to do this alignment, let's say I want to, you know, do this alignment properly, right? It's not that flexible. Now, there are two options here, tiled and floating. So let's say if this, I want to put it from here, but still it is taking this entire space. It's not that flexible to drag and drag few things here and there as per our requirement when we have this tiled option. Now, when I do this floating, okay, let me clear all the sheets. I've removed everything. Now I'm doing this floating and sales by supplier. I'm dragging, dropping here. Then it allows me to do these changes. See, I can customize by using floating. Okay, I'm dragging this here. Then I'm going and dragging this here. Previously, what was happening? It was giving me that grayed out area, and we were only able to put the sheet into that area. But here, it's up to me. What is the benefit of this floating? I can drag anywhere. See, it's floating. It's free format wherever I want. I'll put it here. Now I will drag this and put it here. Now I can put this legend here. I can put this. So generally all the filters, coloring, any information you want to give, we put it on the right hand side for better alignment. I'll take this. Right, I will drag. See, all these things I was not able to do it when it was selected as styled. Okay, so always better to have this as floating and then start dragging it and aligning it as per your requirement. Now, if I go here, you see, let me minimize this. Now, this is the entire space it is taking. Now, few options we should be aware of is when you click on this arrow, you will say fit. Now, what this fit option is, for this bubble chart, this is the entire space, but it is showing only in this page. That means you have this entire page to display this bubble chart, but it's just using only this much space. Now we want to enlarge it. That means, okay, why can't it use this entire space? It will be better, right? If we use that space also. If you click on this arrow, say fit, I would say entire view. I repeat, whenever you drag any charts, you have this entire space here to drag. Can you all hear me? I got in the chat window, Pooja. Okay, okay. Now, this is the additional space I have. I want to use this space. I want to enlarge this visualization. I'll go to fit. Now, there are a couple of options like, okay, you want to fit width, you want to fit height, right? You want to fit the height or you want to fit the width, or you want to use that entire view. So if you click on this fit, see, entire view, it will take that complete space. Can you all try this out? I'll give few minutes. So don't align it properly. Just drag and see if it is working or not, the way I am explaining. Later on, by looking at this US Superstore, you can do that proper alignment. But at least give it a try if that is working in your system or not.
You have created copy of that dashboard which was created earlier and then dragged it, dragged.
No, it will be empty dashboard. You see, there is a second option here.
It is
That
11th,
is a create dashboard option.
which is prepared. Oh, okay.
Right click, or else you can also see new dashboard option.
Okay, fine. And how you added sheets then?
I've dragged it. On the left hand side, we have all these sheets, but make it floating, make it automatic here, and then start dragging it and aligning the things.
Yeah, that's fine. The sheets in the screen, which how you
Yeah,
added.
when you go to the dashboard, you would see on the left hand side. So just drag these and put it. See?
are not getting me. I mean to say, the sheets listing under the section, how they are coming there.
Yeah, so what you do, you are in this sheet, let's say,
You
right
also
click
need
on
to
it
prepare a
and say new
rollback.
dashboard.
Please prepare the steps for rollback
Okay.
and functions.
Click on new dashboard, then you will see all these sheets.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, so sheet is different, the dashboard is different. Okay, in sheets, you always see dimensions, measures, rows, columns, marks, but dashboard concept is okay, once you build all those sheets, all those visualization, you will see all those things in the dashboard and then you will drag it and align the things as per the requirement. And I hope you all understood the difference between the tiled and floating. Just drag few things, you will notice it.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry. Hi, sir. Sir, actually, I am unable to save, sir. Actually, one pop-up is coming.
Okay. Paramesh, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Let me make you present. Let us see. You can
Yeah,
share
one
your
second.
screen. Yeah.
One second, sir.
I hope everyone is working on dragging those sheets onto the dashboard, aligning it. So may not be perfect right now, but just give it a try and drag it and see if it is working on alignment. You can do it later, perfect alignment. But drag it and make those use those fit options, align the filters to the right. Yeah, Paramesh, you can share your screen. I've made you present.
Yeah, one second, sir. Sir, once
Okay.
cancel the screen. I am connecting to mobile system.
Okay. Okay, yeah, meanwhile that comes Paramesh. Anyone facing any issue while dragging it
I
in
am
case?
facing. I have dragged it, but uh, I am able to drag it, but the way it's placed over there, that is mess. Means
Mhm.
few are in very short size, and I'm not. It's on the right hand side, and I'm not able to drag it in the middle because the first two have taken all the space.
Okay, okay. So do you want to share your screen, Pooja, or are you
Yes,
connected to mobile?
yeah, not on
Can
the
you?
mobile. You can make me present.
Okay, okay. Let us see. Okay, now you are the presenter. hmm Yeah, what is the issue you're saying?
I'm saying that the sales by supplier and sales by customer segment have taken all the place, but the others, sales by region, sales by state, those I'm not able to fix it here. Where that
Mm.
these main two, sales by supplier and sales by customer segment, are placed.
Yeah, correct. So that's what the problem is with this tiled option. You see at the bottom in under the objects, there is a tiled option on the left hand side bottom.
Yeah,
Can
I
you
noticed it.
have the styled. Now next to that there is a floating. Now what you do is remove everything, Pooja. Like clear this at the top. You have an option just below analysis. Analysis menu. Yeah, clear sheet. Yeah. Okay. Now select floating. Now drag one sheet at a time wherever you want. So just imagine as if you're drawing something. Just drag it and drop it wherever you want. Make that table big.
Uh,
Yeah, scroll up. You will get those arrows. I
I'm
mean,
not
take
able.
it, take the mouse on the border. Yeah, you see that, right? Those arrows. Take it again.
I'm dragging it up, but it's not working.
Okay, remove it again. Remove it again. Clear sheet. Now drag it again. Yeah, you don't have to press on that arrow. Just drag anywhere. Yeah, from there. Yeah, drag it. Yeah, drag it from there and put it.
I don't know why it's not getting. Yeah, it's dragged now.
So you might not be selecting control. Okay, now you drag it, right? So this floating option will allow us to drag the things and align wherever we want. And there will be some changes you have to do. You have to drag the table to the top little bit. Next to it, drag the other sheet like that.
Okay. I
Okay, let.
was
Mhm.
earlier I was saying, that sales by supplier, there were two columns which are coming. That was this, that metric and shipment cost both were coming, but we need to only get the metric field value. And
Yeah, not that sheet.
yeah, also those were in the original sheet. It was in the decimal ones, metric values, and I am getting the integer values here in the metric column. And
Mhm.
this shipping cost column is extra. Uh,
Mhm. Can you go to that sheet?
this sheet is appearing here, but when I see in my workbook, I am not able to see that sheet. Uh,
Yeah, it will be there.
I think it's hidden, but uh,
No, it will
when I
not get hidden, but just scroll to the left at the bottom. You might be having those sheets. On the okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, there are some arrows you see. Yeah, click on that.
Yeah.
Okay, now click on the filter section. Filters, measure names, edit filter, and scroll down. Remove shipping cost. Apply. Okay. Yeah.
We got it.
And the formatting stuff we will see. Okay. Those decimal and integer we will see. Now let me share my screen. Let me explain it once again. So everyone is not following. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm doing this automatic. I'm making it floating because I know with the tile, it doesn't give me the flexibility to drag wherever I want. Floating is the better option. That's why I choose floating. Now, you see, you don't have to click here and drag it. No, anywhere. Like from here, you drag. Don't drop it anywhere. Take to the place where you want that. Right? Okay, I want it from here. I will drag and drop here. But it will not be that perfect. We want to do some alignment. Okay, I will drag this little bit bigger. Then, there's a lot of space here. Why I want those spaces? Because I'm only showing two columns. It's always not necessary that, okay, we have to do fit. If you see that there is an additional space here which is taking, I'll just minimize it. How to find those? You have to take the mouse over that border. Huh? Everyone is not finding difficulties in finding that. When you take it, you will see these arrows, then you drag it. In the similar way, if you take the mouse, you will see these arrows, then only you can drag it. Now, this metric selection, I'll drag it onto the right. Now, how do I do the next one? I'll drag it and take wherever I want. Okay, I want this to be aligned here. Then I drag this to here. Then you see this. One option is what? Okay, this bubble chart is small. One option is okay, I only want this much size. Then you don't have to fit anything. But if you see that it's very small, I want to make it large. You will drag further and then go to fit, and you will show it for entire view. Entire view means I have this complete space here. I have this complete space. I want to fit that to this entire space. I'll go to fit and say entire view. On the similar way, you will drag and drop all the sheets. Got it? Yeah. Now let me make you presenter. I think it was Paramesh, right? Paramesh,
Sir,
you want to share your screen? Is it ready? Your system?
yeah, sir, I don't know how to share. Please make me presenter, sir.
I'll make you presenter. Next to the mute button, there is an icon, computer icon. Click on that. Share your screen icon.
Your screen, clean screen. Okay.
Share your screen. Click on that, and we will see your screen. Yeah, it's coming up. We are seeing blue screen. Activate Windows. It says go to settings. Right.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. We can
Can you
see your
see
screen.
my screen, sir?
Hmm.
Sir, once I save my file,
This you plan to take.
But first of all, why there is an error in that sales data. You see exclamation on the data.
Yeah, yeah,
There
see,
is a
sir,
red.
but yeah, yeah, that is the by mistakenly for some mistake.
So the while saving, that could also be a problem because you have an issue with the data itself. Correct.
Sorry. 7, 11 అంటే Monday.
So what is the error you are getting while saving?
Uh, while saving, we are getting error. 1 second, sir, I forgot actually.
Okay, okay. First of all, cancel this. Let us solve that data thing. Even Shiva is also getting the same error. So why you are getting that exclamation mark? That is what we have to see. So right click on that data. No, don't go to save. Edit connection, click on edit connection. In the sheet you see,
Here, sir.
there is an edit connection right over there. Yeah, click on that. No, no, no. Go to data sources. Now remove that that red box is there, right? Not that, not that. In the middle there is a red box. Yeah, click on that arrow and remove it. Now click on this sales data arrow, the one which you showed. Yeah, click on that arrow. Edit connection. Then you take which data? Yeah, select that. Open. You see? Now it will get resolved. Shiva, I hope you are following it. See, okay, let that come and I'll explain. It's loading, right? Let it be. Let that load. Okay, so you see the data. So we should always we need to ensure that whenever we will drag any file or whenever we connect to any database thing we have not seen, at the bottom you should see some data. If there is no data at the bottom and then you are going to the sheet, that means there is some issue happened while loading the data, while importing the data. Now if you go to sheet 1, now if you go to sheet 1, you would not see that exclamation. You see, there is no exclamation. Now you are seeing those charts also. Now you can
Okay.
go and save it. It will save. Okay, so it's already 8. So if anyone wants to leave the session, you can leave. Okay, I'm just looking at this saving thing. I know many of you have to rush to office, so feel free to leave the session. We'll connect tomorrow again. Yeah, click on sign in.
That's pop-up is coming, sir. You need to click the confirmation link in the email we sent to activate your
Yeah,
file.
so there was an email which was sent. Go to your email ID, Gmail that Sri Paramesh. So that means you have not activated.
Sir, already activated, sir. Already three file folder names also I created.
Okay, go to inbox. Let's see. Did you get any?
No, up to
Actually,
Friday.
Hmm?
the same thing is happening for me as well. So every day morning when after the session when I try to save it, it's
Hmm.
this pop-up is coming up. But again, when I try it somewhere at the evening, once I come back, it is getting saved.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, go to that dashboard again. What it says, you need to click the confirmation link.
Yeah.
Okay, cancel this. Cancel this.
Okay.
Uh, at the status bar of the dashboard, can you minimize this window? Like minimize means not completely. Yeah, that one. That one. Yeah, click on it.
This one, sir.
Yeah, click on it. Yeah. Um, hmm. Okay, maximize this again. Yeah, it should not happen. Okay, can you go to file, save to Tableau public as, so select that second option. Hmm. Okay, now enter. Hmm.
Okay, I will try to evening also, sir. Once same
Okay, just
problem is
let
there.
me know.
Let's
Just
do.
give it a try, and just see if you got any other email. If you have reset your password, did they send any activation link again? Just cross check those things. If you see the same thing, we will, have a
No,
look
sir,
at it.
up to last Friday it's working. That's today morning I will say it's not working.
Yeah. So did you restart your system, or for last 1 week the system is on only?
No, I think
Uh, Sometimes
no, sir.
that could also be a reason. Like we are not shutting down our systems for the week, right? Even that could
Okay,
be possible. Just but give it a try.
okay, it's not working. I will create with another email ID, sir.
It should work. Just see, and if that doesn't work, we will see again tomorrow. So once restart your system today, fresh,
Okay,
shut
okay,
down it and start your system, and then go and save it. Let's see.
okay, sir.
Yes, Shiva, I'm making you presenter. You can share your screen.
Sir, and also, hello, sir. Please share your mobile number, sir. Further, in case any queries, I will contact you.
Mobile number actually, Ram will share. Let him know. So, yeah,
Okay.
cancel this window. Yeah, what is your question, Shiva? You're not able to load the data. Okay, click on that. Go to data sources at the bottom, data source. Yeah, you will not get it right. You have to drag this orders sheet. You see sheets orders, drag it and put it there on the top. Drag, drag, drag. Yeah. Then go to sheet. Then you would say this. Until unless we drag it in the case which Paramesh was showing, there was only one sheet. In that Excel, if there is only one sheet, it gets dragged automatically. But in your this sample superstore, there are three sheets: orders, sales, and all that. We have to drag it, right? Okay, so we will end for today, everyone. So, please try to work on those alignment, creating the dashboard thing, and then we will, have a look at if there are any questions tomorrow, and then we'll continue with the new topics. Okay? Yeah. So, thank you. Have a great day.